Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable notifications on Snapchat. Turning on notifications ensures you stay updated with your chats, snaps, and stories without missing anything important. So let's get started on how to enable notifications on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your device. Go to your Snapchat profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find the notifications option. Simply tap on it. Tap on the enable notifications option from the top of your screen. Now you will be taken to a new window where you can see the allow notifications option. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn notifications on. And this is how you can enable notifications on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.